Question number 11. What is question number 11? Find the values of each of the following. Some function given in here, we have to find out that values. Question number 11 is tan inverse 2 cos into 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. As we can write that question, given function tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 equal to tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse. First step, this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we are going to change. You know, sin 30, that is pi by 6. Pi by 6 means sin 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. The place of 1 by 2, we can write sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. Then after, sin inverse and sin just cancel. Tan inverse 2 cos into remaining 2 into pi by 6. 6 and 2, 3 times tan inverse 2 into cos, in here remaining pi by 3. Tan inverse 2 into, what is cos pi by 3? Cos 60 value, pi by 3 means 60, isn't it? Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Right in bracket, cos pi by 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Correct? 2 and 2. Then remaining tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is 45. It is 5 by. This is our answer. Now we can see question number 12. Code tan inverse A plus cot inverse L. We have to find out value of this function. Already was studied on property. That property is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is 5 by 2. This is like one property was studied, isn't it? Then this property we can use in here. Just write given function tan inverse A plus cot inverse A equal to cot. Then in here tan inverse x, cot inverse x, variable equal, isn't it? We can also look a variables are equal. So we can write inside the bracket is 5 by 2. The cot 90 value is 0. This is our answer. Next question. Question number 13. Tan 1 by 2 into sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square divided by 1 plus y square. And here some condition given, modulus of x less than 1, y greater than 0, and x, y less than 1. This is our question. We have to solve. In this question, we cannot do directly. Substitution method we can use. I'm going to do by substitution method. let in here x equal to tan theta. X equal to tan theta. From here we can find out theta value also. What is theta? This tan going to left side, that will be tan inverse x equal to right side now theta. Then again y is tan phi. You can take y value is tan phi in here, tan phi we can give. Then tan going to left side, tan inverse y equal to phi. This x value and y value just give given function. Now tan 1 by 2 sine inverse 2 x 1 plus x square cos inverse 1 minus y square 1 plus y square. I just written that given function tan 1 by 2 sine inverse 2. What is x value? X means tan theta, isn't it? Tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos inverse 1 minus y. Y means tan phi. Tan in here square is the square phi divided by 1 plus tan square phi. Tan 1 by 2 sine inverse. What is this? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. That is sine 2 theta formula. Sine 2 theta means 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus cos inverse. In here also we can use next formula, that is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is phi. Cos 2 phi. Then sine inverse, sine correct, and cos inverse, cos correct. Tan 1 by 2. Then remaining 2 theta in here, 2 phi, isn't it? Then you can see 2 and 2 common, isn't it? That to take outside. Then remaining theta plus phi. We know tan x plus y. Tan x plus y. What is the formula of tan x plus y? Tan x plus tan y all divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Isn't it? This is like one formula, you know. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. This is the formula of tan x plus y. This is like one formula studied, isn't it? The same formula we can use in here, but x means theta, y means phi. Is it that? Tan x means theta, we can write plus tan y means phi divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. 1 minus yes, tan theta tan phi. Using by this formula we can write it like equal to tan theta. What is theta value? Theta value already we are studied, isn't it? Theta is tan inverse x. Write it here, tan inverse x plus again tan phi. That is what phi means tan inverse y. Tan inverse y. All divided by 1 minus tan theta is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Phi means tan inverse y. If we cancel, then the remaining x plus cancel, then the remaining y divided by 1 minus, you can cancel, then the remaining x. If we cancel, then the remaining y. This is our answer. Yes, for the video, write down in your notebook. Now we can see question number 14. is sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1. Then find the value of x. In here one equation given. Then from here we have to find out value of this variable, that is x. We can do sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x equal to 1. Sin inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x equal to, what is 1? 1 we can write sin pi by 2. Pi by 2 means sin 90. Why I use in here sin means this sin and this we can cancel. Isn't it? But then the remaining sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 5. If we use in here cos or other trigonometric ratios, we cannot cancel, isn't it? Then we have to use sin term only in this question. Now we need x, isn't it? So cos inverse x, just keep left side, equal to 5 by 2. The sin inverse 1 by 5 bring to right side, that will be minus sin inverse 1 by 5. Then one property was studied. The property is cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to 5. This is like one properties you have studied in introduction of this exercise. This property we will use in here, but we are not going to use x. What we can use? Look, in here 1 by 5 is there. So in the place of x, we can use 1 by 5. Then right side answer 5 by 2, isn't it? You can see in here 5 by 2. That means in this place we can write cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sin inverse 1 by 5. I am going to take 1 by 5 only, not x. Okay. Cos inverse x plus 5 by 2, you can write cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sin inverse 1 by 5, then minus sin inverse 1 by 5. In the place of x, any number you can write, x or y or any number, but these two numbers should be equal. X means in here also x. In here 1 by 5 means I have written, in here also second time also 1 by 5. Don't write different numbers. Then if we cancel, sin inverse 1 by 5 minus sin inverse 1 by 5, that will be 0. Then you can see in here remaining cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 1 by 5. Cos inverse x, cos inverse 1 by 5. Cos inverse and cos inverse x equal to 1 by 5. This is our answer. X equal to 1 by 5 is what? Just for the video, write down in your notebook. In this question, nothing is there. Keep in mind this property. If you this property, we can do. Question number 15 is tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equal to 5 by 4. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. This is our question. In here, which formula is this? One property was studied. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? That is tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x1. So the like one property was studied, isn't it? Then using that property we can solve tan inverse x minus 1, x minus 2, tan inverse x plus 1, x plus 2 equal to 5 by 4. Now use that formula. Tan inverse x plus y. What is x? In here, in this question, this all the time x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. This term is, we'll consider x. Then this is y. X plus 1 divided by x plus 2. That will be y. This is x, this is y. Then use that property. First x plus y. X means x minus 1, x minus 2. Plus y. Y means x plus 1, x plus 2. All divided by 1 minus x into y. 1 minus x means x minus 1, x minus 2 into y. Y is x plus 1, x plus 2. Equal to right side 5 by 4. Tan inverse. In here we can take LCM. LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now right side, then this to multiple, you get x minus 1 into x plus 2, x minus into x plus 2, this plus, then x minus 2 into x plus 1, x minus 2 into x plus 1, all divided by, in here, what is LCM? LCM is x minus 2, x plus 2. Just to know, that will be LCM. Then after, if you multiple 1, if you make this denominator, 1 into x minus 2, x plus 2. Then this minus 1 into this denominator, this multiple, you will get x minus 2 into x plus 2. Then x minus 1, x plus 1. Equal to 5 by denominator, denominator. X minus 2 into x plus 2 comma. You can cancel. Then remaining tan inverse. Remove bracket x into x square. X square, then x into 2 2x, then 1 into x minus 1x, then minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Here also x into x square, x into plus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into minus plus 1 is all divided by a denominator also we can do. This part you will get a minus b into a plus b form, isn't it? A minus b into a plus form. That one we can write a square minus b square. A square is x square minus b square is 2 square. Minus this part also a minus b into a plus b. Then this part we can write x square minus 1 square. Right side 5 by 4. And 5 by 4 is the tan inverse. In here x square plus x square, 2x square. Then minus x plus x cancel, 2x cancel. Then remaining minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Divide by. If you give this minus inside, you will get minus in here. Minus x square into b plus. What will get? X square minus x square cancel. Then remaining in here minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4 we can write tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 answer is 5 by 4. Isn't it? That means in the place of 5 by 4 we can write tan inverse 1. That is correct. Tan inverse and tan inverse. Now remaining 2x square minus 4 equal to 1. This minus 3 will to right side, that is 2x square equal to 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Minus 4 into right side, that will be plus 4. Then it will get remaining x square equal to minus 3 plus 4, that will be 1. 1. This 2 brings the right side, divide by 2. X equal to square root of 1 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2, otherwise minus 1 by root 2. When you take square root, plus and minus we have to write, isn't it? Then this is our answer. X value you will get 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2. In this question, mainly you have to study this property. Here the property tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We can write tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. And then consider first term in this question. This part will be x, this will be y. Just use that property, you can solve it. Then last part also, this 5 by 4 changes tan inverse 1. Also. Next question, question number 16. Find the values of each of the expression. Sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. These are questions. We have to find out the value of this expression. Look, the sine inverse and sine, and you cancel. Take it. We cannot cancel. What is the reason means? Sine inverse sine theta. We can cancel. We can write here theta when theta value should be in between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. This is principal value. In between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 only we can cancel this sine and sine inverse and sine. Otherwise we cannot cancel. Take it. In here one radian measurement given 2 pi by 3. This 2 pi by 3 in between this number? No. Isn't it? Here is 90. Minus 90 or 90. If you do this one, 2 into pi value, you know 180, isn't it? 180 divided by 3. Cut it, you will get 60. 2 into 60, 120. 120 not in between minus 90 and 90. Isn't it? Then, so we cannot cancel sine inverse and sine here. How do we do that then? This given value, given radian measurement, we have to change. Sine inverse sine. We are going to split this thing. This 2 pi, we can write 3 pi minus pi. 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi only. Divide by 3. Divide by 3 is there. That's why only I use 3 pi. Okay. Sine inverse sine. So the denominator we use separately. 3 pi divided by 3 minus pi divided by 3. Sine inverse sine. Then this we cancel. Then pi minus pi by 3. Sine inverse sine. Sine pi minus pi by 3 we can write sine pi by 3. Reason we can write in bracket sine pi minus theta. Sine pi minus theta. We can write sine theta. If by this formula we can change it. Sine pi minus pi by 3. Just write sine pi by 3. This pi by 3 in between minus 90 and 90. Take it. Pi by 3. Pi means 180 divided by 3. 60. You get 60. 60 is in between minus 90 and 90. In middle, isn't it? Then we can cancel sine inverse and sine. Now remaining pi by 3. This is our answer. Keep in mind, always we cannot cancel sine inverse and sine. We have to check that principal value. Then only we can cancel. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook. Next question number 17. Tan inverse tan 3 pi divided by 4. In here, check it, the given gradient measurement in between principal value or not. In the case of tan inverse, the principal value is open interval pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is the principal value. This given radial measurement in between these two numbers. Then we can cancel tan inverse and tan. That means in here minus 90 and 90. If you change to degree measurement, check it this number. 3 pi by 4. This 3 into pi value is 180 divided by 4. Correct? You will get 45. Then 3 into 45. How much? 135. 135 is not in between minus 90 and 90. Isn't it? Then we cannot cancel. So then what we will do? We will split this radian measurement. Tan inverse tan. Okay, right? Check it denominator. Denominator 4 is there, isn't it? That's why 4 pi minus 3 pi only is there. 4 pi minus pi. 4 pi minus pi, you will get 3 pi divided by 4. Tan inverse tan 4 pi divided by 4 minus pi by 4. Tan inverse tan 4 and 4 cancel, then remaining pi minus pi by 4. Tan inverse. How you write this? You know, tan pi minus theta we can write tan minus theta. Correct? Using that formula, change it to how you write? Tan theta means minus pi by 4. Cancel. Then remaining minus pi by 4. Next question is question number 18. Tan sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. In here, you can write, let the sine inverse 3 by 5 we can write as x. X equal to sine inverse 3 by 5. From here, the sine inverse going to left side, that will be sine x equal to 3 by 5. We got sine x equal to 3 by 5. It means in this place, I just give one value x. You can see outside tan only, isn't it? Anyway, inside we need tan inverse. Then only we can cancel. So, sine got it. Can you find out cos? Cos x. This cos x. What is cos x? Cos x means square root of 1 minus sine square x. Using that, one identity you have studied, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Isn't it? From here, cos square theta equal to 1, the sine square theta bring to right side, that will be minus sine square theta. Square bring to right side, that will be square root. That means cos theta we can write square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Same method use it in here. Cos x we can write square root of 1 minus sine square x. Then square root of 1 minus sine square x. Sine x is 3 by 5 all square. 1 minus 3 square is 9 divided by 25. Equal to this two multiple 25 minus 9 all divided by 25 equal to 16 divided by 25. What will get? 4 divided by 5. cos x we will get 4 divided by 5. Now we can find out tan x. Tan x equal to sin x divided by cos x equal to sin x is 3 by 5 divided by cos x is 4 by 5, 3 divided by 4. Tan x will get 3 by 4. Then take second term again. Is y. Y equal to cot inverse 3 by 2. Cot inverse will be left side. That will be cot y equal to 3 by 2. Then cot we can write 1 by 10 equal to 3 by 2. So this always that means tan y divided by 1. If you take reciprocal in left side, right side also you have to take reciprocal 2 by 3. 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. 1 no need to write. So we got tan y equal to 2 by 3. Now we can give here tan sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. These are opposite. Okay. Equal to tan. What is sin inverse 3 by 5? Sin inverse 3 by 5 is x. Plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Cot inverse 3 by 2 is 1. Now we got tan x plus y. What is tan x plus y? Tan x plus y we can write. Then we can pause the video, write down. Tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y all divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. That formula. Now tan x already got it. Tan x value is 3 by 4 plus tan y value is 2 by 3. All divided by 1 minus tan x is 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Take LCM in here, so we get 12. 4 into 3, 12 isn't it? And this 2 multiple 9 plus 4 into 2, 8. All divided by, in here also take LCM. LCM is 12. Then this 2, 1 into 12, 12 minus 3 into 2, 6. Sorry. Now we get 9 plus 8, 17 divided by 2, 12 minus 6 is 6. This is our answer. Now we can see question number 19. This is multiple choice question only. Cos inverse cos 7 pi divided by 6 is equal to some options given. Don't get this 2. First you have to check this 7 pi divided by 6 is in between principal value or not. What is the principal value of cos inverse? That is in between 0 and pi. That's what this number, this radian measurement in between 0 and pi means we can cancel directly this cos inverse and cos. Then we can write 7 pi divided by 6. Otherwise we cannot write. Check it. Instead of 0, pi means 180. Isn't it? Okay. We need our given angle in between 0 and 180. Can see 7 pi by 6 equal to 7 pi value is you can write 180 divided by 6 30 isn't it? And then 7 into 30 is 210. This 210 not in between 0 and 180 isn't it? Then directly we cannot write this is not 7 pi by 6 not answer. Then this cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. 7 we can write 12 pi minus 5 pi divided by 6. 12 minus 5 we will get 7 pi. Why I use 12 means you can see in here 6. 12 divided by 6 we can do directly, isn't it? Then cos inverse cos 12 pi divided by 6 minus 5 pi divided by 6. Then cos inverse cos, in here this will cancel, you will get 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. This one we can write cos inverse cos 5 pi divided by 6. You know cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta. So it's like one formula, you know. Then correct, that will be our answer, 5 pi by 6. So here option number B is our answer, 5 pi divided by 6. Sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to options given. You can see sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write sin pi by 6, sin 30. Sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse. This minus give inside sin minus pi by 6. Correct? Then sin pi by 3 and remaining minus here minus pi by 6. Sin pi by 3 minus minus plus pi by 6. Sin, take LCM, the same is 6, then this 2 pi plus 5. Sin 3 pi by 6, okay. Then sin pi by 2, sin 90 is 1. That means our answer is D. Keep in mind, sin inverse and sin we can cancel in here because principal value of sin inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That means minus 90 to plus 90. Is our principal value. In here, minus pi by 6 means minus 30. Minus 30 is in between this principal value only. So we can cancel directly. Here see last question, 21. Tan inverse root 3 minus cos inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse root 3 we can change tan pi by 3. Tan 60 value is root 3 minus cos inverse minus this root 3 we can write cos pi by 6. Correct? Now remaining pi by 3 minus cos inverse, this minus give inside cos pi minus pi by 6. Directly we cannot give minus in here. We have to write pi minus pi by 6. In the case of cos and space, directly we cannot give minus, but in sin, then tan and cosec. In this 3, directly we can give minus. Okay. Then for the remaining we can write pi by 3 minus pi minus pi by 6. Pi by 3 minus give inside minus pi minus minus plus pi by 3. Take LCM. What is LCM? 6, isn't it? Then if you have 2 pi minus in here 6 pi plus pi equal to what will get? We'll get minus 3 pi divided by 6 equal to minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2. Option B.